Mantra only works if pronounced or written correctly. Mantra collection of words that are chanted in a sequence to fulfill the desired work. These words should create positive energies to be a mantra. Those generated energies can be seen through the fourth dimension, and some can see it with naked eyes. Every group of words that form a sentence cannot be called as the mantra. It should create positive energies while chanting. Every word should create positive energies to fulfill your desired work for which you are chanting the mantra. Otherwise, your work/task for which you are chanting will not be completed. And I have seen some people chant millions of times a mantra but only get 1/10 of the desired result because they are chanting/pronouncing some of the words wrong. The pronunciation should be correct even if you are chanting from within without speaking. Many of the pandits and books have wrongly pronounced and wrongly written materials, so it's not their fault, and all the right material is available, but it is not easy for everyone to get them. Even materials from ancient are also available, but everyone does not know the location and availability, and very few people know about those villages where that material is available. You need to have a very good knowledge of Sanskrit, Devanagari and Old Hindi to pronounce correctly to create energies. Old Hindi is the Hindi that people were used to speak instead of Sanskrit in times of 10,000 BC. This language is created to remember all positive energies words, but actually Old Hindi is as much old as the Sanskrit language, which is million years. It is hard to believe this because all our text is in Sanskrit, but it is true. Old Hindi does not have proper Hindi words which we know now but have matching words and slightly different with Sanskrit. I am giving you just a simple example. It helps you to understand this. Daksha Raksha is a Hindi word which means protect, but in Old Hindi, the word is Daksh Raksh and also pronounced as Raksh Daksh. In many of the Sanskrit slokas and mantras, you might have seen/heard this word Daksha Raksha which is wrongly written and pronounced, but if you find old books/leaves then you will find the word Daksh Raksh only. Daksha does not generate positive energies while Daksh does, and these positive energies can be seen by pandits, yodi, and gurus, but nowadays, it is not easy to find real pandit, yodi, and gurus. Almost all are fake and have improper knowledge of everything. Daksha word generates no energies and does not do anything, but this doesn't mean you will now pronounce and write all words half. Every word is not treated like the same, and very few people actually know Old Hindi. I have seen these positive energies in the fourth dimension, and I usually see/check if a mantra is actually generating energies or not in the fourth dimension. I want to learn the techniques to know about energy through naked eyes. The last person who knows the energies of the words was Tulsidas. After him, all are faking it. His written Hanuman Chalisa has all positive energies words, but people wrongly copied the original text, and many of the words are now improperly written. Now everyone has a wrong copy of Hanuman Chalisa, which contains wrong words and also does not generate positive energies. It is hard for me to rewrite the wrongly written mantras because it is not my passion and I have other important goals in life. Sometimes chanting one mantra at a time is enough instead of chanting 1,000 times the same mantra if you are chanting with the correct pronunciation. Means mantra creates positive energy and only works if pronounced correctly, which is only possible if it is written correctly. Replacement of word with other words is always a bad idea if you don't have the knowledge of energies. It's like you need A but written a plus and you are replacing with a B plus but actually can be replaced/received from O instead of it if A is not available. I hope you may understand.